Hey, I'm Elena from BFlex, and today we're going to customize this shirt. This customization was made using 4 different colors and 2 different series, the BF FLOCK and the BF 700. We're going to use both the layering and knockout methods. For the BF 700 series, we used 3 different colors using the knockout technique. BF 700 was the first product made here at BFlex. It applies in just 10 seconds at 140 degrees Celsius. Its thickness of just 90 microns along with its polyurethane composition make it stretchy and ideal for application on stretchy garments. It can also be washed up to 90 degrees Celsius and it can last up to 100 wash cycles. This allows you to customize work uniforms that need industrial washing. BF 700 is available in over 60 colors. These 60 colors include metallics and neons. Today we picked 3 colors to design the Cheshire Cat: Flamingo Pink, Lemon Yellow, and White. Now let's begin the application. Remember to always pre-press the shirt to iron it and to remove any moisture. BF 700 needs to be pressed at 140 degrees for 10 seconds. We're going to use Flamingo Pink. The Flamingo Pink is going to be the base for our cat. Let's position the film and center it. Now let's press it. 140 degrees for 4 seconds. Remove the liner while hot. Now place the white BF 700, which we're going to use for the cat's teeth. Look how easy it is to weed out the excess material on this white BF 700. BF 700 has 2 important characteristics: a fully opaque finish that fully covers the garment. You can even apply a white film on a black shirt and you'll notice that the BF 700 is fully covering the shirt. We'll use the knockout technique with the BF 700, so we need to line up the cat's teeth with the rest of the design. Because we're going to press it a few more times, let's just tack the vinyl down for 3 to 4 seconds. Remove the liner while hot. Now we could apply the BF FLOCK using the layering technique. Flock presses at 160 degrees Celsius for 16 seconds. Let's set our press to the correct settings. BF FLOCK is a cuttable film with a velvet effect that makes it stand out both visually and to the touch. BF FLOCK is available in 11 colors. BF FLOCK is easy to weed. Now that we weeded the text, let's place and line up our design on top of our cat. Now we can use the layering technique to place this film on top of our BF 700. When layering, whether you're using BF FLOCK or a different film, you may notice that the top layer doesn't always perfectly fit your design. When this happens, you can cut down your design or stretch your shirt in order to have the most accurate placement possible. As you can see here, I'm splitting parts of the cat and some of the stripes as it will make the application easier. I split up the cat in 4 parts: the tail, the body, the paws, and the head. This allowed us to line the design more accurately on the shirt. We're going to press it only once at 160 degrees for 16 seconds. Now wait 8 to 10 seconds to remove the liner. Keep the shirt in the press, as we will still need to add the lemon yellow BF 700, which we'll use for the cat's eyes and the stars. For this last color, we'll use the knockout technique. It's the BF 700 lemon yellow, which we'll use for the eyes and the stars. Let's line up on the design. BF 700 presses at 140 degrees for 10 seconds, so we'll need to lower the temperature of our press. Now let's press it. 140 degrees for 10 seconds. Remove the liner while hot. And here's our shirt ready for you to wear it. To make this shirt, we use 2 different techniques, 2 different films, and 4 different colors. Follow us on social media to see all the different application techniques for our heat transfer vinyl. Thanks for watching.